iPhone 3G, 3GS, headphone jack, power, volume and silent button repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a very difficult repair, and it will take about 50 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips screwdriver, spudger, metal pry tool, SIM eject tool, small suction cap. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Place a small suction cap next to the home button and gently pull the glass assembly away from the back housing. The glass assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Use a spudger to disconnect LCD and digitizer cables. Lift the flap and pull out the proximity flex cable. Disconnect the cellular antenna and remove the sticker. Remove the following 8 Phillips screws securing the motherboard in place. Use a spudger to gently pry the camera out of the housing. Disconnect wireless antenna, audio flex, and charging dock. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws. Pull the audio jack out of its socket and peel off the flex cable. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing volume button bracket to the housing. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing silent switch bracket to the housing. the volume, silent, and power button brackets off the flex cable. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.